Hello and welcome to another of the Ask the Data Governance Coach video series. And today's question is a really interesting one, and thanks to Michelle for emailing this in. So the question we want to answer today is, why can't data stewards be accountable? So Michelle emailed me to say that she was asked recently about the role of data owner versus data steward, because she's asking them to define data elements, and she's getting some pushbacks. And I think this is quite common, saying that, perhaps seeking approval from the data owner was just a tick in the box exercise and really unnecessary. She's asked me what my thoughts were on data owner approval, particularly when it comes for data definitions and glossary terms. So I thought this was a really good question. So thank you, Michelle, for sending this in. And I think it all comes down to engagement and senior stakeholder engagement. Now, I find that if you don't have senior stakeholder engagement, then your data governance initiative will start to fail over time. So it's really important that we keep them engaged. And if we don't have very senior people in our organization accountable for data governance, then it will get deprioritized, it will lapse, and all the hard work we've been putting in will be wasted. This I have found out the hard way. So I really do encourage you to make sure you have senior stakeholders in your organization appointed as data owners. Now, you do often get the pushback that Michelle has been having. And I do entirely get that, but I would still try and stick very much to the fact that the data owner is accountable at the end of the day for those definitions. Yes, we get that the data stewards are going to draft those definitions, but if we make the data stewards accountable for them, then we're letting the data owners off the hook. They'll stop thinking about data being an asset in an organization. They'll stop making sure that the data steward has time to do that role. So I think it's really important that we do still keep data owners accountable. And the main purpose of this is to keep their engagement and their support, get that senior support for our data governance initiative by doing what may be for them a tick box exercise. Now, I found many data owners that is the case. I've also worked with many who really do review and challenge and ask questions about data definitions. So it is going to depend on the person involved. But by keeping them on the hook, this means that we're keeping very much data and data governance at the forefront of their mind. So I would encourage you to keep doing that if you can. I hope that's helped. Remember, if you've got a question you'd like me to answer in a future video, please send them in to questions@nicolaaskham.com. And in the meantime, if you found this video useful, please help me get the message out and help as many people as possible be successful with data governance by liking, commenting, sharing it on your choice of social media. Thanks for your help.